near and far. It's choreographed by Amy Glass. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn near and far. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step forward with our right, point your left toe to the left side. You're going to touch your left forward and then point your left toe to the left side. We're now going to do 2 samba steps, so you're going to cross your left over your right, rock the ball of your right foot to the right side and recover onto your left. Cross your right over your left and rock the ball of your left foot to the left side and recover onto your right. When you finish, you want your body slightly open to the right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your step point. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a jazz box quarter with a shuffle. So you're going to cross your left over your right. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to shuffle to the left, stepping left, side, right together, left side. We're now going to do a jazz box step. So you're going to cross your right over your left. Step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and then step your left foot forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, you're doing your jazz box quarter shuffle. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what I like to do on that jazz box shuffle is to use my back step and the first count of my shuffle to fully square up to the 9 o'clock wall instead of making it a really sharp quarter turn. It's a little bit easier if you kind of blend them so that you are completing that quarter turn as you shuffle to the side. Section 3, we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left. We're going to do a half shuffle over our right shoulder, make a quarter turn stepping your right foot to the right side, step together with your left, and then make a quarter turn stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto our right, and you're going to do a half shuffle over your left shoulder, making a quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, and then make a quarter turn, stepping forward with your left foot to return to 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts, rocking forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do 2 walks forward, right, left. You're now going to shuffle forward with your right, stepping right, forward, left, together, right, forward. Step forward with your left foot, do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 3 o'clock. And then we're going to do a big step forward with our left and drag your right foot into your left, and then you'll be ready to start over again. What I like to do is when I do that drag, I just keep my right foot coming forward so that I go right into that step. So you don't want to drag it to meet, just think of it as dragging it forward right into that count 1. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready to start over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your step forward. So it's step, point, touch, point, samba, step, cross, quarter, shuffle to the side, jazz, box, step, rock, half shuffle, walk, shuffle, step, half pivot, step, drag. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your step point. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be wall 11. You're going to dance all the way up until you do your half pivot. So you'll end up facing 9 o'clock. And then instead of doing your big step forward, staying at 9 o'clock, you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, just doing a big step to the left and dragging in so that you're ending facing 12 o'clock. So you're just substituting a forward with a quarter drag, but it is the same same counts and the same footwork pretty much, just making that turn. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your step forward. So it's step, point, touch, point. Samba, step, jazz box quarter with a shuffle. Jazz box step, rock half shuffle, walk, walk, shuffle, step, half pivot, step, drag, start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, point, touch forward, point, samba step, jazz box quarter shuffle, jazz box step, rock half shuffle, walk, walk, shuffle, step, half pivot, step, drag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn near and far. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.